Hello and welcome to History 1001, the history of Western civilization to 1500. I will add that if you email me, please make sure to follow the email instructions that I have provided for you in the syllabus. These are the learning outcomes for this class. Upon successful completion of this course, the student will recognize major events, theories, and issues, recognize major figures and movements, demonstrate their understanding of cultural precedents and grasp of relationship to current issues, as well as an ability to analyze historical meaning in a proper manner. This is a general overview of the class. You'll begin by looking at the syllabus and agreeing to the academic integrity statement, and then you'll move on to the modules for this semester. There are 7 modules, each one covering a different period of Western civilization. As you can see, Module 1 covers the ancient civilizations, Mesopotamia and Egypt and the Hebrews. Module 2 covers Greece. Module 3 covers Rome. Module 4, 5, and 6 cover the Middle Ages from the very beginnings until the decline of the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. And then Module 7 deals with the Reformation, the wars of religion, and the scientific revolution. Each module has a specific organization that you need to be aware of. All the assignments and activities are interlocking. They must be completed in order. So your first assignment in any given module will be readings from the textbook and also readings and viewings in the module resources book available on my courses. When you complete the module resources reading and viewing, that will unlock the reading quiz. The reading quiz is a 20-quiz true-false examination of your comprehension of the readings. It is necessary to demonstrate a 70% proficiency in the reading material for you to move on to the next activity / assessment in this module. You can take the reading quiz 5 times. You will score the higher or the highest of the 5 takes, but you must score 70%, 14 out of 20, in order for you to unlock the form discussion. The form discussion will ask you to do one of 2 things, depending on the module. Either to apply something you've learned about a Western civilization and its history to the present, or it will ask you to analyze a primary text, either a work of literature or a work of nonfiction from the period that the module covers, and then ask you to provide some kind of insight or interpretation to demonstrate your understanding of a primary resource from that particular period of time. You will be required to respond to the form prompt and then to respond to 2 other students' posts. Once you have completed that, you will unlock the module test. The module test is a multiple choice and discussion test, 25 multiple choice questions chosen randomly from a question bank, and then 1 discussion question also chosen randomly from among 8 possible discussion questions. This will assess your comprehension of all of the facets of the module, from the readings to the engagement with ideas in the form. You will also be responsible for a book review project. I will assign a book for you to read above and beyond the readings in the textbook. Initially, you will be asked to provide a preliminary book review in which you review the book itself, providing a chapter by chapter summary of its main ideas and arguments and supporting details, and then end with a conclusion, an overall assessment of the value of the book. Then you will be assigned four book reviews or four reviews of the book that you have read. Uh, Three of these reviews will be critical of the book, they'll be negative, and one will be positive. You are then responsible for providing a summary of the arguments of each one of the book reviews, and then an ultimate assessment of the book that you've read um, in light of the book reviews. Are the reviews valid? Are the criticisms valid? Are they not valid? Gives you a chance to not just engage with a work of historical analysis, but also it allows you to take part in the academic discourse among historians regarding the relative accuracy and validity of, of a work of historical analysis. Your final assignment in this class will be the final exam. The final exam will be comprehensive, though there will be extra questions covering the reading material for Module 7, since there will not be a separate Module 7 test like there was for Modules 1 through 6. I wish you good luck this term. I hope that you enjoy the class. I've worked very hard to make this an enriching experience for you and one that should prove to be hopefully fun and challenging.